Page 16, Song of the Windmill. Here we got eighth notes going crazy. Okay, let's look it over. It's 2 pages long. Treble bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature. We are in the key of G major. So if you're doing the scales, do at least the scale for G major. And if you can, do the scale for E minor also, because it has 1 sharp. Just 1 octave up and down is fine. 4/4 time signature. Let's look at the hands. The right hand, you're here. Eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 1 and 1. This is it. Once you get that down, you got it. The left hand's whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. For the most part, occasionally you get a C, and at the very end, the bottom, page 17, you get that. Okay, put the hands together. It's 1 and 2. That's pretty much it. There's a little moving around. You go down to the 3rd line of the last measure. You're here. The right hand comes up. And then reach down. See, I crawl around here. You can move. I like to crawl around because I want to feel my way around. So again, then the last line, it's here. I reach down. So we're doing that. That's pretty much the piece. Now, once I have the notes and the hands working okay, and I get rid of any hesitations, then I'll think about the articulation, and this is very connected. Connect it all. You have to lift up for the rest, so that's fine, but otherwise connected. Dynamics, it's going to be actually both hands here. Sort of soft, whatever you think that is. And then a 3rd line down on page 16, last measure, you go up to moderately loud, just a little louder, just until the 2nd line on page 17, you come back down to moderately soft 2nd measure, like you were at the beginning. The last line on page 17 is soft here. And slow down. Yeah. As far as the speed goes, it says smoothly, so it depends on how fast you want your windmill to go. The eighth notes need to be even and controlled. Don't go faster than that. No? You want to go fast? Kind of fast for a windmill, I think. Might slow that down a little bit. That might be a little fast too. Slow it down a little more. The fermata at the end, just hold that out as long as it feels right. But do it with a metronome. I'll double it and hold it 8 counts instead of 4 is fine. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes. The rhythm shouldn't be a problem. They're all 8th notes pretty much, so just check the notes. I'll give us 4 counts. I'm not doing louds and softs. We're just checking notes and rhythms. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. 4 and 4 and 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, off.